Quick behind the scenes here at Ultrace. One of my favorite cars in the 90s. CLK GTR. I like the CLR though. The CLR is pretty cool. Yo! So cool. This right here is actually here last year. This Porsche. I'm not sure if you guys remember my content from Ultrace last year in Wrocław, but this came back. Pretty cool. Got what is this? BMW something. I don't know my old BMWs. Got an R34 over there. Sakamoto-san's active. Which number is this one? This was at SEMA 2020, maybe? This is the first Carbonara he took to SEMA. So this pretty dope. This is the one that makes like 1200 horse. Something like that. Yep. Over here we got a white 33. Not familiar with the builder of this one, but super clean. A lot of cars here at Ultrace, they're ridiculously clean. A lot of OE plus looking cars. But up here at the top, they have a little bit more spicy mix. Look at this, dude. From Japan, you got Aichan's E30. This is straight from Moontech out in Gunma. So, yeah. This is a girl's car. A little dirty right now. You gotta get that thing polished. BMW, what is this, the M3 GTR? I don't know if that's the right word for it or the right name. This thing is so cool. I've seen the replica kits on this thing back in the States. I'm not sure if this is a replica or a real thing. So cool though. Sakamoto-san making noise over there. Ooh, white on white. 99. Was it 964? Sorry, Porsche guys. I'm a Porsche guy too. I just don't know my old Porsches. Sick. Front of that RX-7 is pretty sick. OG Benzie. Was this like an SL? Old SL? Ooh. Wild 32. Bunch of aero on this thing. Pretty sick. Turbo fans. Nice. Rari over here. This looks like an LB kit. Subi out in the back. GT3 RS. This is very stock. But they already look crazy from the factory, so I guess you don't need to touch it. Ooh, what is this? Old Lexus? Sweet. Alright. Oh, we almost missed this one, sorry. Got a pretty dope FDRX7 over here. Nice. I like that. Some OG Beamers on this side. Oh, look at this. Super clean. E46 M3. Left-hand drive. Oh, look at that. Jesus, it's half the size of the engine. 993. Super clean. Ooh. Look at that fitment. Not RWB. Sick. So sick. Love that. The local John Deere worker mobile. Let's go back here. I'm just gonna walk. It's gonna be a long video. If you guys want to see a preview of all the cool cars up top, then this is the one to watch. Ooh, what is this? A BRG E92? No, E92. This is the 4-door. What is that, guys? What is that called? E91? 3? I don't know. Don't quote me. The only BMW I own is the motorcycle. There you go, E92. I know that's an E92 for sure. Big body right here. Big ass wheels. This looks like a Korean barbecue grill. Ooh, more BMWs. That's what you'll see here mostly at Ultrace. BMWs, Audis, and Porsches, like so. Obviously, these guys are like domestic cars here in Europe. Lambo. Wow, an IS here? That's rare. Look at these wheels though. Oh, wild. Let's see. More Beamers. Got that fender to lip fit. Oof.
Yeah, on my part.
997 slammed on Toyo R888s. Sick BBS. All right, all right. Air ride for sure. We saw this last night at the pre-meet. This thing is wild. Straight ITBs on this boy. Slammed, no fenders. Or no hood, I guess. It just cut off. See that? Sick. I love that. More OGs over here. E30. What is this? GTT? My exposure is kind of tough right now because we're in the shadows. We saw this last night at the pre-meet. We got 997 slammed on, what are this, VSKFs? Very OE plus, as you can see. OG, what is this? 7 Series? 9? Again, with my BMWs. Got an Audi here. What is that? S4? I'm just absolutely botching all these cars. As you can tell, I'm not a Euro guy. The only Euro I have is my motorcycle and my Porsche. This is sick. So cool. Get my polarizer straight here.
Oh, like car rides?
Dude, that's wild. All right, I got a Supra over here, A90 Supra, GT3 RS. Got like a fuchsia with whites. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I like that. What else can you really do to these things, right? They come from the factory looking like race cars already. 300Z. E, or is it E? What is this? F. What is the M4? F something. It's not F80, right? F80 is the four-door. What's over here? More BMWs. Ooh, Vantage? What this? Ooh, sick wheels, dude. More OG JDMs. DTM. Wow. That is absolutely insane. I grew up watching DTM, and this is pretty much like a copy or replica of the kit, maybe? Volvos, you'll see a bunch of those here. Ooh, NSX. Supra. Got some Raris. Some more motorsports cars back there. Oh, this is different. Look at this. Cool. Getting blinded by the sun right now. That's like a JDM VIP section here or what? Sick. Oh, this is a repeat. I saw this last year. This Vet. I think last year this thing was for sale. Wild, dude. Look at that fitment. Got a 34 GTR, 890 Supra, OG Supra. More BMWs on this side. Oh, this is clean. Hard to see this color right now. Let's see if I can get it. It's like a aqua, greenish, blue. Looks pretty cool, actually. I don't know what this is. Another wagon BMW. What year is that? 80s? E30. More BMWs on this side. E36. Not sure what year that is. Got some Audis over here. Volkswagen. Ooh, this is clean. And overexposed like a mofo. Look at that. Ooh. So clean, dude. What the heck? This is a rare friggin' car to find clean. All right, all right. More VIPs on this side. E30. Sick. Audi S4. Stance down. Another Golf. Got an Evo over here. By Uber. Got a 964. What is that? I guess. Can't tell. I don't know. All these Porsches look the same. Shit, Box 24. Sick. Look at that. Big body. So clean, dude. So clean. We're building one of those. Got a RX-7 over here. Clean, clean. More Beamers. Like I said earlier, there's a shit ton of BMWs here. Some of these are repeats, actually. Like, I remember most of these from last year. They're still loading in, by the way, so this is not like the whole thing. This is just a VIP area. Pretty crazy exhaust setup right here. NSX. Audi. More BMWs. GTR. 3RS. 997 3RS. Nice. Ooh. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What is this? Rhino? It's got Elise looking taillights. What the heck is this? Interesting. That's just some of the cars. People are still dropping off some of theirs right there. They're going to be doing this all night. So yeah, if you guys have a chance to stop by Ultrace, I say do it. It's probably the best show in the world. And I've been to a lot of shows. And yeah, it's still my favorite.